Hey everybody, it's
D-I-Y.
music.
What is it?
Well, I thought I would offer an opportunity to teach kids about music, creative expression, in simple, fun ways that are accessible. I believe sound is the medicine of the future. And I think children express themselves particularly very well in the arts, whether it be music or dance or singing or poetry. Kids are very expressive. So with the sign of the times right now, with the pandemic and all these things going on in the world, there are billions of children at home right now with parents, and the parents are like, what do I do with these kids? So I wanted to create some practical ways for kids to continue learning, continue forming an appreciation for the arts, continue expressing and creating and doing all the things that they may have enjoyed in school or maybe enjoyed more at home, and have the opportunity to actually do it with them, with their loved ones, with their parents, spend more time with them. So this is just simple exercises that anybody of any age really could participate in. Some of the items we take a lot for granted. I have rice. I have black eyed peas. I have toilet paper rolls, because what are the chances of there being a lot of toilet paper in everybody's home during a pandemic? But that's the way it is. So these are materials that are potential to make instruments and to create. We have markers that are typically around the house, and of course the old pot and pan. Beads. I've got pencils, but not only do I have pencils, I've got drumsticks. So I think I enjoy this probably more than the kids do, because I grew up wanting to be an artist when I was a child. I would draw, I would paint, I would color, and I was talented, and I knew it, but I didn't know what to do with it. I would enter contests, and it's a funny story. I entered a drawing contest, I guess in high school. It was a pencil art drawing, and I actually won. And I guess a few weeks later, my mom, she tells me that I was disqualified, or I was no longer the winner, or I dropped out or something. Come to find out, they said that I didn't do the artwork. The judges said that, oh, it was too good. There's no way that this kid or whatever could have done this. So that was really disheartening. I kind of gave art up and started focusing more on activities and career choices that gave me more validation, that gave me more of a response that what I was doing was okay and was valid. So I'm back now teaching children. I teach drumming to kids as well. And as an artist, as a recording artist, as a brand marketer, this gives me an opportunity to give back and also to teach and also feed my own inner child. So I really hope that this type of learning, specifically online learning, because just the way of the world, we're all using technology to connect differently, and we're all using technology to learn differently. Learn not just from teachers and our parents, but learn from each other. So I want to use this platform to connect with children, be able to hone my skills on what it means to be able to connect with someone, even if it's just through art, even if it's just through music, because I believe that coming together is what has made me who I am today. I grew up on Mr. Rogers. I grew up on Sesame Street in Electric Company, listening to jazz on these soundtracks of Peanuts. And I think that it's time for us to offer that rich offering of education one-on-one to kids again. I really think it's important. So I hope somebody gets something out of that. And that's pretty much why I am doing DIY music.